I went on to the RICOH THETA plugin store to check out plugins for my RICOH THETA Z1 camera. The voice trigger capture got my attention because I recall that quite a while ago I was involved in a contest where there was a Theta auto trigger, and this was built by a community member, Amine Amri. Mr. Amri had used TensorFlow, which, as you know, is a artificial intelligence or AI neural network platform. And he had used voice recognition to train the camera to recognize the word "yet." Go to the RICOH plugin store to check out the plugin from RICOH. Click install the plugin. Select open the RICOH THETA app. Select OK to install it on the camera. After it's installed, select manage plugin. I'm going to select voice trigger capture as the first plugin. Press and hold the mode button. After pressing and holding the mode button, a plugin menu will appear on the camera. Press the shutter button to select the plugin. Test the plugin by saying yes.
Yes.
It works fantastic. Images look great. Selfie.
Yes.
Test with background ambient noise.
Yes.
Test with background street noise. Busy street.
Yes.
Results were fantastic. The plugin captures the word yes, no problem in all types of noise conditions. Very impressed with it. I'd give this one a thumbs up. We're going to be checking out some other plugins. So subscribe to the channel and you'll get an update when we release the next plugin review video. Have a great day.